she's a wolf.
Creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind. I go where the wind blows. I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering my name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a lone wolf.
Hey Wolfpack, welcome back to House and Love. Me and Ashlyn are just having a fun day today. Lakota is right there, just chilling out. So yeah, we're gonna eat our lunch here, and then we're gonna be doing some vlogging. So we will talk to y'all in a bit. So, babe, talk what happened a minute ago. I'm so sorry the camera went on, but I was eating my lunch.
No, sorry, we were eating and some people came and saw Lakota, and Danielle got to talk about Lakota to the kids and the mom and everything, and so I guess over here, we can go this way.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gonna go through this way.
So, hopefully we'll try to get some more people to talk to us. I don't know. I'm just real scared of all little kids will be terrified of Lakota. But I had to bring her out. I wanted to bring her out. Because I need to get a video out for you guys. And we'll show y'all the haunted bridge that's here too while we're here. Ashley, you're going a little bit too fast, don't you think?
Sorry.
She always does that.
I walk really fast.
I know you do.
Well, I guess if you wanted to get to the haunted bridge, is it over here?
Yeah, it's all the way over there.
Okay.
You can go hang out over there if you want to and then come back.
Yeah. Oh, there's some litter in there.
Come on, Lakota. You want to hang out with the swings, babe, or what do you want to do?
We can do whatever you want to.
Okay.
I didn't know that was there.
I just can't get Lakota by the creek.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah. Her and water don't mix.
Yeah. Oh, is there a bridge over here? Yeah,
Yes.
there's a bridge. Okay.
There's a bridge.
Okay. Is that the haunted bridge?
Mommy, look.
No. Hey.
Hey.
Yeah, she's a wolf. You want to come pet her? Is it okay if y'all are on? Is it okay if y'all are on film? Cause I'm vlogging right now.
I don't know about that, but
No, be careful.
buddy.
Oh.
Is she asleep?
She's taxidermy.
She's taxidermy.
Oh.
I didn't kill her, just so you know.
Oh, okay. Bless her heart.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. But yeah, we get a lot of nice comments about her. We get a lot of nice remarks.
Yeah.
Sometimes hateful comments, but I try to overlook that.
Yeah, well, that's not nice, is it?
No, people just don't. People don't realize that I have an invisible disability, and I do need her. I have autism, and I also have anxiety. So she helps a lot with that. She helps me be more social.
I'm glad that you found something that can help you.
Thank you. I hope you have a great day.
You too.
Bye, guys.
Bye. You think this thing's safe to walk on?
I don't know. Maybe. We can go up there to the wildflower trail too.
Okay. Wow. Oh, back up, babe. I want to show them this.
You know the horses?
That's so pretty, guys. Look at that. So this is the haunted bridge.
1900?
Salem Shotwell Covered Bridge. The original bridge was the site of a tragedy when a woman and her 2 children were crossing it in a car and the bridge collapsed.
Look at this. 1900?
To 2007.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, babe.
You are great.
Aw. Oh, wow. DW Dean Winchester.
Oh my god.
Guys, hashtag Dean Winchester in the comments, please. Holy crap.
Wow.
That's so freaking cool.
Wow, that's awesome. (2007).
Look at the horse prints, babe.
I know, I saw that. And it says 1998, 1900 again right here. So,
Not really blows. Wow, I didn't even know this was back here. Come on, Dakota. Baby, look.
oh wow.
I did not know all this was back here.
Wow. Be careful. Wow, this is awesome.
Alright, Lakota, turn around. Thank you, Ashlyn.
Huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go this way, guys. This is fun.
It's called Caroline Dean Wildflower Trail.
Wow. Again, babe. Hashtag Dean Winchester in the comments. Hey, is this an outhouse? Holy crap, there's an outhouse.
There's an outhouse? Oh
Yes!
my god.
You legit never see these anymore, guys.
Wow.
Here,
Looks like it's locked.
here. Hold Lakota. Hold Lakota. I don't really want to set her on the ground, but I guess
You want me to hold Dakota?
yeah.
Okay, oops, sorry.
Same hand.
Yeah, you're gonna try to pick it.
I am. You owe me $50 bad till I get it.
No, because what if you get it and then I owe you $50?
Too late, you owe me some anyways, remember?
Yeah.
Oh well, I give up.
Okay, here you go.
Poor Lakota, oh my god, guys, look at the way Ashwin's holding her.
Hey, you gave her to me like, okay, there we go.
Here, hold on, hold them. Hold them.
Them.
Give me mom.
I'm sorry, my bad.
Does she look better now?
She looks amazing.
Alright guys, let's go.
Danielle's-
Let's go.
Danielle's like, I'm never letting you hold Dakota again.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. We've both been there before. When a love shuts the door, it's a losing game. It's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all. It makes it all alright. In time. In time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right. It feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We are, we're meant to be.
I need to ask now, why are we carrying the dog? Is that a stuffed animal?
She's a wolf,
Oh, a wolf?
and I'm
Okay.
autistic.
Oh, okay.
I have PTSD, autism, and
So she's your service dog?
yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's sweet. But can she walk?
She's taxidermy.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's amazing what pets can do these
Well,
days.
she's beautiful,
Thank you.
isn't she?
I was out walking my dog
Does she look like our
about
Ridley?
6 weeks ago, and a group of 12 women were walking together, and they stopped me and were talking to me, and I'm standing there holding the chain. And something come up behind me and touched my leg, and I jumped, and the women went. My doggie was behind me and sat down on her bottom and took her paw and touched my leg and was looking up at me.
Aww.
Mama! It was hilarious.
Oh.
The dog? You say hi to the doggy? Well, she is beautiful.
Thank you.
He's not even blinking his eyes.
It's a taxidermy dog.
She's a wolf. She's an Arctic wolf.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. And you guys have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm having a nice day. I'm not supposed to be able to get out of bed without passing out. Not supposed to be able to look up and down.
Oh, God.
Oh my god, guys. I feel so freaking offended right now.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm sorry.
Oh. I will see. Okay, so, like, we literally just got questioned by some woman and her friend about Lakota. And they're like, well, why in the world are you carrying that stuffed dog? And I'm like, excuse you, but for one, she's not a stuffed dog, she's a wolf. And two, I have disabilities. I'm disabled. That's why I have her. Like, okay, like, so, I'll have to talk to you guys later about this.
Over there at those swings, and there was a woman, and she came up to us and was playing around with us, and Danielle was on the swing. He randomly started pushing Danielle on the swings and then twisted her in the swing, and then
Twisted it at the same time.
Yeah, twisted it and pushed it, and it
Went really high.
Yeah. You okay?
Keep talking to them, babe.
Huh?
Keep talking to them.
Yeah, that's pretty much what happened, and then she got really dizzy and then got sick, and then I held her, and then I picked her up and I brought her over here, laid her down, and she got Lakota and put her on her chest so she could have deep pressure therapy. Are you okay, baby? That woman seemed like she wasn't all there, you know? She seemed like she wasn't all there. I'm right here, baby. I'm right here. I'm right here, right next to you. Do you feel my arm? I'm right here, baby. I'm right here. Right here. I'm right here. Shh. I'm right here, baby. I'm not leaving you. I'm right here. Shh. Baby, I'm right here. Are you okay? Are you back? Are you back? Okay. Get some dirt on your elbow. She was not all there, baby.
Oh.
I didn't realize that she was that crazy.
How do I look?
I don't know if you're pale because you're always pretty light-skinned. So I don't know. Like, if you might be pale. I don't know. You okay, baby?
I mean, how do I look? Do I look dizzy or what?
Yeah, you look a little dizzy. Are you still dizzy?
No, I'm literally gonna go confront her. I hate making a scene, but I'm sorry. You don't do that to someone who has freaking seizures.
Where is she?
I don't know, but I'm gonna go look. Guys, I'm so sorry y'all have to see this, but unfortunately you do, because I want this video to be a lesson to y'all. People who have epileptic seizures or any form of anything that's
Well, she's gone. I don't know where she went. She's gone. I don't see her. She might have known that she did something bad and just left.
Come on, Lakota.
She might have just felt like she did something bad and left. She's like, oh, I gotta get out of here.
She did.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't know if I should call the police or what. I just feel like I should.
If you want to. I wouldn't call the 911 number. I'd call just the police. Yeah, the police station.
Well, come on, let's go see if we can find her first.
Okay. She's nowhere to be seen.
I don't see her, guys.
She just patted me on the back and said, well, you guys take care. And I was like, whatever.
You probably wanted to tell her a piece of your mind, didn't you?
Yeah.
Ashland, please tell them more about in depth what happened, because I want to remember, but I can't right now.
It's just some woman just comes up to us and saw Lakota at first, and then just was asking about Lakota, and she didn't seem like she was all that bright and like all that sane to begin with. And then like we were swinging, and she comes up and says, "Can I swing with y'all?" And we were like, "Yeah, sure."
We don't care.
We don't care. And she was talking, and like she would repeat a lot of the same things that she told us once before. And then she got in front of Danielle and started swinging her, and then twisted her.
Freaking grabbed the down swing and literally pulled it towards her, backing up, twisted it at the same time, and then let go, and kept twisting it and kept pushing me.
Yeah.
So I was going back and forth at the same time, spinning. Right, babe?
Yeah. And then I help her get off the swing, and then she gets in my arms.
Ashland really has a bad back. She had to carry me.
She gets in my arms, and then I help her.
Because I was collapsing. I couldn't stand.
And then I pick her up, and I bring her over to Lakota, and then it might be her car driving off that way. I don't know. She's not around here anymore. I don't see her. She's probably like, oh, I'm in trouble. I did something wrong, so I'm going to go now.
But yeah, guys, like, you don't do that to someone who has epileptic seizures. You don't do that to anyone in general, unless they tell you to.
That's kind of creepy. She comes over here to the park, and, like, I wonder if she is like that. If she is...
I wouldn't be surprised if she is a pedophile, though.
Wow. Because she was sitting there talking about, like, oh, I work with little kids and stuff, and wow, that's creepy.
Damn, yeah, that does make sense. That does. Oh my, yeah. Like, my whole mind just went blank because I was so dizzy and I felt sick, but now I'm starting to feel better.
I didn't even think of anything. I just thought that she was like...
a teacher or something.
I thought she was like senile or something, like... You know, she didn't understand the way life worked at the time. Like, but now I'm kind of wondering something here.
And then she bolted off for no freaking reason.
Off.
Maybe we should call the police.
You want to?
Yes.
My phone's at 3%, so I can't.
Okay, guys, we're gonna call them, I suppose, and I'll pick this back up when officer gets out here. Yeah. So, babe, talk. What's going on? What's happening?
We called the police, and they're coming down here right now
to talk to us
and get our story and everything. And
that just makes me 50% uneasy about that woman. I'm sorry, but it does.
Yeah, it does.
Hey.
Hello. We're the ones that called about the woman. Okay, so go ahead and explain.
My name's Danielle. This is my taxidermy wolf Lakota. She acts as, in a way, my service wolf or service dog. I have disabilities.
Disabilities. She has autism, PTSD, anxiety, and she helps her be able to talk. She's taxidermy.
Yeah.
She's not alive.
Okay.
She's taxidermy.
Okay, so I'm good.
Yeah, no, she's taxidermy. See, look, she.
Can you get out and talk to us, please?
And she gets a lot of heck from people online that saying that, oh, well, you can't have her as a service dog. But anyway, but that's that right there. But what we called you about was we were back over that way
where the swings
were, and we had Lakota on the ground, and we were swinging, and this woman just walks up to us like we didn't know who she was.
Yeah.
And she's like, we were swinging, and she gets on the swing, and she starts calling us little kids. She was like, "Hi, little kids," and we're like, "Oh,
what?
We're
adults."
Kids. And then she was like, she started talking to us, and then she would repeat things that she already said.
Yeah.
And then like, we were like, okay, so, and she would talk about like, oh, protect, like she would help like kids and stuff, and then she starts swinging Danielle on a swing and twists it.
She grabbed my swing and backed up with it.
Yeah.
And pulled me forward.
So she pretty much freaked y'all out.
Yeah.
Really bad, yeah. I wasn't even expecting it.
Yeah, and she has epileptic seizures and
Yeah.
swinging like that, and then like I picked her up.
Anxiety.
Yeah, I picked her up and I took her over to Lakota. She did deep pressure therapy on her, and she had a seizure right over there.
Oh man.
And I helped her. We helped her through it, and then.
Do you need rescue to come out and check you out, or?
No, sir. I'm just a little bit dizzy. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, but we were just kind of wondering if we should talk about the woman too, like.
Yeah.
Because
like,
we
kind of wondered if she was kind of like
a pedophile in a way, because we started really thinking.
Yeah, because she gave me I know she was giving me some kind of weird vibes at the time too.
Me too.
But when she noticed that she was on the ground having a seizure, she pats me on the back and says, "I'll talk to you guys later," and then walks away, and we haven't seen her since.
She literally booked it when she saw something was wrong with me.
Oh, okay.
And she didn't even bother to ask, "Oh my God, you want me to call an ambulance or anything?"
No.
Wow.
And you know, I just want to throw this out there. The reason why I have PTSD is because I was molested by a pedophile when I was 15, and it just makes me very, very cautious around older people, and now I'm going to be more cautious.
Yeah.
So that's another reason why I use her. And you know, I get a lot of hate from people. According to the ADA, she's not a real service dog, but she assists, even though she's not.
And where's the? Is it right here?
Yes,
I can
my
show
doctor's note.
I can show him the doctor's.
I mean, you're fine.
There's a doctor's note right here.
You're fine. Anytime you deal with anything like this, you feel uncomfortable, you call us and we'll come out and check on you.
Yes, sir. But you know, people just get on to me and give me horrible hate because she's not alive, and she's a wolf. And they're like, oh, just because she isn't alive and she's not a dog, she can't be a service dog. Technically, she is.
Yeah.
If she can assist me with my disabilities, then she is.
Don't let anybody mess your day up, okay?
Okay, no, sir.
But yeah,
But we were just wondering what we should do.
Yeah, I could drive around and see can I make contact with she's
we don't even know what she was driving.
What race?
She was white.
She's white,
and she was kind of older. She said that she was born in 1955, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was born in 1955. She kept saying that, and that
she had short curly hair.
Short curly. It is brown, short curly hair.
A little bit gray, but not too much gray.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and she had glasses.
Yeah.
Okay, we could ride around. Well, I could ride around and make sure she's gone.
Okay.
How long y'all gonna be out here? I can get another unit.
Well, her nanny is coming to pick us up.
I'm waiting on my mom to come get us.
Yeah.
Okay, how old are y'all?
I'm 24.
I'll be 40 in September.
Yeah. Okay.
We're married, so
Okay.
like my anxiety's just through the roof right now.
But yeah, we just came out here
what calms
to
you
enjoy.
down? What calms you down when you're anxiety?
Lakota.
Okay.
She puts her on her chest and she does like a thing called deep pressure,
DPT.
Okay.
deep pressure therapy. Do you know what that is? It's like where it gets on. She gets on her chest.
Mhm.
I hope you don't mind I'm filming. I'm sorry, but I am.
Filming on her
Oh
phone.
no, you're fine.
Okay. Look. Ashland, could you-
She does deep pressure therapy,
Yeah.
and you show them what she does.
I am. So, if it's normal, it's like this. But if it's really, really bad, I put her across my chest.
Mhm.
So she pretty much had to lay like this
Mhm.
when I was having my seizure.
Okay. I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry if we're like if we seem weird to you. Like,
No, you're not weird.
yeah, I was told that we're very interesting.
And like, here's the weird thing because here's the weird thing because this other woman she was hanging me out with,
Mhm.
she had like
A little boy with
a 2 or 3 year old little boy.
yeah,
And
and
the
the
mother to the little boy said, "Well, why in the world are we carrying around that stuffed dog?" And I'm like, "Excuse you, but she's not a stuffed dog. She's a wolf, and she's my service animal. You know." And this is another thing. I just want to make sure I'm not breaking any laws because a lot of people are telling me, "Oh, well, when you putting patches on Lakota's vest and calling her a service animal or a service dog, you're basically breaking the law."
You're fine. You're fine. Okay.
Awesome.
I just don't want you to get upset.
Thank you.
no, we're just and we're just
I mean,
My name is Officer Hunter, by the way.
Officer Hunter.
my name is Ashlyn. Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
Officer
you.
Hunter.
Danielle, this is Lakota. Thank you. She's an Arctic wolf. But yeah, you could probably tell I'm on edge.
Just take a stroll around the parking lot, talk to each other until,
Okay,
calm down a little bit.
okay,
Try to have another unit come over here.
okay.
But I'm going to drive around and
Yeah.
make sure she's gone, okay?
Because all we were trying to do was come here. We had a little picnic over there. We got some Burger King, and we were having a little picnic, and then like we just wanted
Having a
to.
good day.
We even went over there to the little bridge over there, and we saw the little flowers and stuff. And then we wanted to go swing, and then that woman comes
Yeah.
and ruins it all.
Okay, well, don't let her ruin your day, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
thank
Y'all
you.
take care.
Thank
I'ma
you,
drive
Officer
around.
Hunter.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Bye.
Take care.
You
If
too.
there's no problem, you call us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Anything you want to add, babe? I'm feeling better, but still just uneasy, you know.
I really don't know what to say. I'm just I don't know. I don't know what to say anymore.
You're in
Like,
shock?
Yeah. But at least you got a cop on
Film.
camera saying like, "Oh, well, look, it's okay.
For Lakota and
yeah,
stuff.
you're not gonna get in trouble."
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna just drop the video here and I'll talk to y'all later. It's been a really crazy day for me and Ashlyn, and we both we need time to just cool down. So I love you guys and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.